We look different as we grow. Infant. Child. Teen. Adolescent. Adult. This is me. My name is. My weight is. My height is. Are family words.
Trace the letters from A to As. Count and write.
A for apple, A for ant, B for bat, B for ball, B. C for cat and C for cup, C. D for dog, D for dots, D. E for egg and E for elephant, H for hand, H for hat. H, 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 h. I for ink and I for insect. E, 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 e. J for juice, J for jar. J, 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 j. K for king and K for kite. K, 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 k. L for lamb, L for leaf. L, 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 l. M for man and M for monkey. M, 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 m. N for neck, N for nose. N, 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 n. O for ocean, O for oar. O, 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 o. P for plum, P for parrot. P, 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 p. Q for queen and Q for quail. Q, 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 Q. R for rope, R for rat. R, 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 r. S for sun and S for sunflower. S, 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 s. T for tap, T for tub. T, 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 t. U for uncle, U for umbrella. V for violin, V for violet. V, 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 v. W for well and W for water. W, 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 w. X for box, X for fox. X, 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 x. Y for yacht and Y for yellow. Y, 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 y. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Z, 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 z.
Look, there's two mice chasing each other. Hello, tiny mouse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 mice. Hello, plump turkey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 turkeys. Hello, shiny fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 fish. Hello, strong deer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 deer. Hello, sleepy cat. You're the orange cat, aren't you? Did you know that this orange cat is hiding somewhere in every single Toddler Fun Learning video? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 cats. Hello, Speedy Ostrich. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 ostriches. Oh look, I think these eggs are about to hatch. Hello, cute chick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 chicks. Hello, fluffy alpaca. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 alpacas. Hello, hungry donkey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 donkeys. Hello, noisy goose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 geese.
My daily routine with pictures. Wake up early in the morning. Brush my teeth every day. I exercise daily. Have a bath every day. Comb my hair. Wear my clothes uniform. I drink milk every day. I reach school in time. I eat my lunch. I do my homework.
Look at the people in each box and circle the one who is smaller.
Head, eye, ear, arm, hand, leg, eyebrow, nose, lip, mouth, tongue, foot,
Craft airplane paper plane. Step 1. Take in a 4-size paper and fold in half lengthwise, then fold down top corners to the center line as shown. Step 2. Fold down 1 inch from the bottom edge and again fold new top corners to center line. Step 3. Fold up center flap and fold over the center line so the triangle flap shows. Step 4. Fold down the wings and create an accordion fold. Repeat this for the other wing too.